Hey there, guys. Welcome to this episode where I'll basically be teaching you the basics of crypto trading. It's basically going to be a crypto trading 101, where I basically introduce you to cryptocurrencies and how you can actually make good money from investing in cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies are basically the future of money, right? Right now we're used to the basic um, monetary aspects, or the basic money which we are used to, which in this case is paper, right? Currency which you use right now every single day. The piece of paper right now that you carry in your wallet, in your purse, has value. Now, money itself doesn't necessarily represent much, it represents value. If they write a 10 on your piece of paper, it represents the value of maybe 10 commodities, 20, so forth and so forth. So cryptocurrency is the same thing. But instead of money being a piece of physical um, products like paper, it's actually digital currency. You cannot touch it, but it's in digital form. It can only be stored in computers, it can only be stored in cell phones and CPUs and things like that. So most of these cryptocurrencies are actually represented by the value called coins. This type of coins in which were sort of used to are the coins which are metallic, but these ones are actually digital coins. So there are so many cryptocurrencies out there. The most popular is Bitcoin. The second most popular is Ethereum, and then we have Ripple and all these other ones. There are close to like 1,000 different types of coins out there. But today I'm going to basically be teaching you the basics of how to invest in these coins and cryptocurrencies. The first thing you want to do is to open an account in a trading platform. I'll basically give you the top 4 trading platforms which you can open an account to start trading your cryptocurrencies. The one that I use is called capital.com. The second one is called Binance. The third one is called crypto.com. There's another one called Gemini. There's another one called I think I mentioned Binance. But either way, these 4 are okay. So you can basically go and open an account with either Binance or crypto.com. It's easy to open an account. You verify the account in your email, and then you're good to go. So when you're doing that, when you're opening your account, just basically look at the interface, right? Which is basically the interface either on your computer or your cell phone. You're going to see a list of a lot of cryptocurrencies there, and those cryptocurrencies are the ones which you choose. Which one do you want to buy? You always see a buy and sell. So in this case, you don't have any cryptocurrency you want to buy. So for you to buy, you need to have money in your platform's account. So if you're using capital.com, make sure you deposit that minimum. That minimum deposit is $20, which is 200 pula for my audience here. So this particular currency, you're going to actually use it to buy the coins in that platform. So if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Chiliz, all these other coins, you're going to choose the one you want to buy. But I must caution you, investigate a little bit about the cryptocurrencies and see if predictions are saying they're going to go up or go down. Either way, the top 4 will always go up. So I advise that start off by investing in Dogecoin or Cardano or Ripple, because they're very, very cheap and are growing up exponentially. So once you do that, make sure you buy 3 of those. Don't buy one particular coin. Don't use your entire um, funds to buy one particular coin. Buy Doge, buy Cardano, buy Ripple, and make sure that you divide them evenly if you could. Right, so obviously the value of each coin is not the same. Doge is the least expensive, Ripple costs more, and Cardano is in the middle. So most of the time you could try and buy maybe 100 Doge, 50 Cardano, 50 Ripple. Right, and the best thing for you to do is when you're investigating the market, see if whether these particular coins are in the red or in the blue. The red is the negative. Have they fallen down or have they gone up? Most of the time, if you have your funds in your platform, wait for them to go down. Wait for them to get in the red. And you take advantage of that, knowing that they're going to go up. Put all your funds in those red particular pockets, and then they'll go up. Right? So once you do that, whenever they go up and get the blue, obviously you're gonna be getting a little bit of money into your available section, your profits. You need to always be in front of the computer, in front of your phone, to make sure that whenever they go up, you actually use your available funds or profits to buy more of these coins. And that is basically how you're gonna grow your whole portfolio and make more funds. So instead, by the end of the week, your 200 pula will end up being maybe 1,000 pula. And if you keep doing the same thing, by the end of the month, you have somewhere around maybe 10,000 pula. I myself have been very, very good at this. At one particular day, I once made a total of profits of 2,000 pula and actually deposited them. You can deposit them, or you can keep buying more. You can take a little bit of the profits, deposit them, and a little bit of profits and invest more. That's basically how I do it. If you want to go long-term investments, good. Make sure that you keep buying with the profits. And even if they do go down, you wait for them to go up again. But when they go up, it's going to be more again because you bought more coins with the previous profits. So that's just the basics for today. So I basically want you to go and try to do this right now. Capital.com, Binance, open an account, verify your accounts through your email, learn a little bit about cryptocurrency. There are a couple of books which you can actually read or PDFs about cryptocurrency. They're in the link below. Click on the link below, you get the PDFs on your cell phone, you get the PDFs on your laptop. Read more about cryptocurrencies, investigate them, and see how these assets are actually the future and the currency of tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.